Hi everyone, I'm Jazz.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
We're excited to be in Surrey Hills today to show you some behind the scenes of our full home renovation project.
And I'll tell you a little bit about what I do here as a design manager at GIA. Today we're in Surrey Hills for a full home renovation. So what we've done here is completely stripped away everything and started again. We've also included an extension to the back, which is the sunroom. And that is really just to give the family really different areas to be able to enjoy their home and also connect to the garden as well, because we've got a really, really beautiful garden to this home. The kitchen where I'm standing is going to be filled with the most amazing natural details. Like we've got natural travertine, we've got beautiful organic shapes with arches and different play with shapes with the joinery as well. So I can't wait to see that come together. And behind me, we've actually relocated the kitchen to the center of the home. So behind me, you see the archway here, which is the entrance. You've got bedrooms behind the kitchen, but we've also got bedrooms behind me here. So the aim to relocate the kitchen was really to just bring it into the heart of the home and really connect those spaces so the family can gather in the center of the home.
What are you guys up to today?
We did some joinery measures, some tile layouts.
Measuring for a nice arch in the bathroom, a big round curved bench seat.
Love that. What are you most excited for this project, Olivia?
I'm most excited about the kitchen. I think it's going to be incredible. We'll insert the renders here. It's going to be so special with the materials and the shapes and things that we've implemented. It was actually inspired by when I went to Europatina earlier last year. So
I love that.
Exciting.
And what else are you up to today?
Today, oh my gosh, so many things. What have I got? So I've got 2 in-home consultations, and then I've got a beautiful lunch for charity for women in business. So that's really, really, really exciting. And then that's with Carmel, of course. And then after that, I've got a building inspection for a new project that we're starting in Richmond. Basically, I was here today because I was doing a tile layout meeting, which is what I generally do day to day, is just come to my sites when I'm here and I just make sure everything is going as smoothly as possibly can be. And tonight I am going back to Adelaide.
Yay! Back to Adelaide.
Back home.
I love that. Well, that comes to the end of our video. So if you have anything that you would like to ask us, definitely leave a comment. But otherwise, we'll see you next time.
Bye.